Welcome back to Auto 786 TV, the 2027 Ford pickup truck, a vehicle that represents a bold new chapter in Ford's long and influential pickup legacy. Whether you're a truck enthusiast, an EV fan, or someone just curious about where the automotive world is heading, stick around because this truck could change the way you think about pickups forever. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button on Auto 786 channel subscribe, so you never miss out on the latest news, reviews, and insider looks at the vehicles shaping our future. Imagine a pickup that blends the rugged utility you expect from Ford with cutting-edge electric technology. A truck that's designed not just to work hard, but to push boundaries and challenge what's possible in its class. That's exactly what Ford is promising with its 2027 pickup, a vehicle that's poised to shake up the market with its ambitious price tag, innovative platform, and performance that rivals even some sports cars. According to Ford's own announcements and automotive industry reports, this new 2027 Ford pickup truck will start at an astonishingly accessible price of around $30,000 USD. That's right, a brand new four-door electric pickup from one of America's biggest automakers for roughly $30,000, a price point that would have been almost unimaginable just a few years ago. EquipmentWorld.com+1. What makes this even more remarkable is the context behind it. Ford has developed a completely new architecture, their universal EV platform, aimed at redefining electric vehicle production by drastically reducing costs and complexity while maintaining the quality and capability truck buyers expect. This platform uses fewer parts, fewer fasteners, and a smarter assembly process that allows the vehicle to be built faster and cheaper than traditional designs without compromising on durability. It's a modern reinterpretation of Ford's historic approach to mass production. In other words, a Model T moment for the electric age, as some industry insiders have pointed out. EquipmentWorld.com. But let's talk about what this truck actually is. The 2027 Ford pickup is expected to be a mid-size electric pickup, larger and more capable than compact trucks, but still more agile and efficient than full-size models like the F-150. Ford has said the interior space will be comparable to that of a Toyota RAV4, meaning you and your passengers will have plenty of room. And, according to early reports, the truck may even accelerate similarly to an EcoBoost-powered Mustang, giving it surprising performance for its class. That's not something many would expect from a vehicle with such an affordable price tag. Now, what does that mean in real terms for everyday drivers? First, the $30,000 starting price puts this truck within reach of a much broader audience than typical electric pickups, which often start well above $50,000. At that price, it becomes competitive with many gasoline-powered mid-sized trucks, while also offering the benefits of electric propulsion, instant torque, lower long-term operating costs, and reduced emissions. This vehicle isn't just about cost savings either. Ford has emphasized that it wants this truck to be useful, while specific towing and payload figures haven't been officially released yet. Early commentary about the platform's design hints that the chassis and battery layout prioritize utility and strength. Ford's engineers are known for building trucks that can handle real-world tasks, whether that's hauling equipment for work or carrying gear for weekend adventures. And there's every indication that capability won't be compromised even as the price comes down. Speaking of the battery, where many electric vehicles rely on expensive and heavy battery packs, this new pickup is expected to use lithium iron phosphate LiFeP prismatic batteries. These are less costly than higher density chemistries and offer advantages like improved longevity and safety. They're lighter and simpler, contributing to the truck's affordability while still providing a respectable range, although exact range figures are yet to be confirmed. Industry watchers are watching this closely because if Ford pulls it off, it could set a new benchmark for affordable electric trucks. Inside the pickup, buyers are likely to find an interior that feels modern and purposeful. Based on what Ford has hinted at and how their recent EVs like the Mustang Mach-E have been outfitted, we can expect features like a large touchscreen, infotainment system with over-the-air update capability, an intuitive driver interface, and plenty of space for cargo and passengers. Connectivity features, safety tech, and driver assist systems are almost certainly going to be part of the package. Many already standard, making the truck feel like a smart, up-to-date vehicle. But at its core, it's still a truck first, built to work, to haul, and to serve as a versatile daily driver or adventure partner. One of the interesting things about this 2027 pickup is the way Ford is positioning it. Instead of slotting it as an ultra-premium electric vehicle, like some others on the market, they are treating it as a mass-market truck designed to be affordable and practical. That's a strategic choice, and one with potentially huge implications for how electric trucks are adopted across the US and around the world. If a 30,000 electric pickup becomes a reality, that could draw buyers who always thought EVs were beyond their budget. Now, it's worth noting that this pickup doesn't yet have an official product name. Ford hasn't confirmed what it will be called. Some speculation suggests they might revive a classic name from the brand's past, while others think a new name will better reflect the modern electric identity. Whatever the name ends up being, though, the truck itself could become a major milestone for Ford. Motors 77, of course. There are always challenges when bringing a new vehicle, especially an EV, to market. Ford is investing billions of dollars in the necessary manufacturing and battery infrastructure, including upgrades at plants in Louisville, Kentucky, and battery production at their Michigan facilities. This capital expenditure is a sign of the company's commitment, and it also underscores how serious they are about making this pickup a commercial success. But with any new platform, there are risks, from supply chain issues, production bottlenecks, to ensuring that the vehicle meets customer expectations in real-world use. There's also the question of how this truck will stack up against the competition. Other automakers are also targeting the electric truck market, from legacy brands adapting their existing models to new startups pushing bold designs. But the combination of Ford's brand reputation, its dealership network, and this aggressive pricing strategy could give it a unique advantage, potentially positioning the 2027 Ford pickup as a market leader in affordable EV trucks. And remember, this $30,000 price tag is just the base model. Higher trims or options could raise the cost, just like any other vehicle. But even so, the starting price sets a tone that's hard for competitors to ignore. For many buyers, that affordability, paired with what appears to be solid capability, could be exactly what they've been waiting for. All this makes the 2027 Ford pickup more than just another new truck. It's a potential shift in how pickup trucks are built, priced, and perceived. It's Ford's answer to a future where electric vehicles are mainstream, not niche, where the convenience and performance of EVs meet the utility and freedom that pickup trucks represent. So as we look ahead to 2027, and imagine this new truck on the road, in driveways, on job sites, and out on adventures, it's easy to see why there's so much buzz. A $30,000 electric truck from Ford could democratize EV pickup ownership in a way few expected. It could redefine not just what buyers can afford, but what they expect from an electric pickup. If you're excited about vehicles that combine value, innovation, and real-world practicality, and want to stay on top of all the latest developments in the auto world, make sure you hit that subscribe button on Auto 786 channel. Subscribe. We'll be bringing you updates, reviews, and deep dives into vehicles like this 2027 Ford pickup as they get closer to production and release. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.